When we are gonna see the roots on the DICOM, we can see if we can put the prep and the future shape, because this is planned before the surgery. So you will see that if you have tooth structure where you want to place the prep. Because if you don't, your shape will change, You know what happens most of the time, what the biggest error when you don't do this, what will happen in clinical reality, especially in the maxilla? Maxilla is centipede. So what happens is you put something on top of tissue and the tooth stays like this. Then you do the crown lengthening and suddenly the tooth goes in a lot. And then you have a discrepancy of like 3 millimeters between your planned cervical and your real cervical in the sagittal axis. If you use the root now, you know from the start where that will be. Because it's one thing if under the tissue that there's still enamel and you have like straight, or if it's going in like this. It's also tapering, not only going like this, but also tapering. So when you're planning now, you're planning to see if your design will be biologically feasible and if the morphology under the tissue will not change it.